Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial on Java programs. I'm Vishwakaran, working for the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, BMS Institute of Technology and Management. So in this session, I'll be explaining two programs related to Design and Analysis of Algorithms Laboratory of 4th-semester CSE branch. The first part, I will be explaining a simple program which takes two integers from the user and performs division operations. See, the division operation must be performed only if the denominator is not 0. If the denominator is 0, then the program should raise an error. Okay. So let's implement this Java program. For the implementation, I will be using the Eclipse IDE. Okay. So I already created a project. So let me add a class to that project. So I'll be giving the name of the class as division operations, and I would add the main method. Okay. So first, let me create an object of type scanner to take the input from the user. So I need to pass input string to the constructor of scanner class. So it's giving an error. Okay, so I need to import this package scanner. So the scanner class would be defined in this package. So next, so let me ask user to enter two numbers. Integers. Once this message is displayed, user would enter two integers. Let me store it in a variable A. So when I call this method, this would take the input from the user and store that in input value to variable A. Similarly, I need to take another value that is for denominator, that is B. Okay. So in line number 13 and 14, once these two lines are executed, the value entered by the user would be stored in A and B. Okay. So before we perform operation, the division operation, one is to check the value of B for 0. Like if B not equal to 0, then we can perform division operation. So system.out. So let me perform A by B. This is if B is not equal to 0, then in the else part, let's raise an error exception. Throw new. Let's pass a message by saying that P value is 0. Okay. So now let me execute the program. Save this. Okay. So let me clean the project first once. Clean this project. Then cleaned. So after cleaning, let me execute this. Okay, it's going to ask for the user to enter the two integers like 5. So it's giving a by 2, a by b as 2. Okay, right. Let me re-execute this program by entering denominator as 0, 50, and denominator I'll enter as 0. Once I enter 0, you can observe an exception is raised here. Whenever b is not equal to 0, it performs this division operation. Else, if b is equal to 0, an exception is raised. It throws an exception. The code, all those lines of code after this throw statement would get skipped. Okay. So this we are come to the end of this program 3A. Okay. So in the next part, we'll discuss about 3B, which is related to multi-threaded application. Okay. Thanks for watching.